seniors, we appreciate your effort, right? But some of you guys, you have to learn to step up in the moment. You have to be better in the moment. If you're young guys, hopefully you learn, because you're going to be put in the same situation, and you talk about these guys now, but now you guys are not that much better. So hopefully you really work to get better, and understand what you need to get better at. We're not that far off from these so-called super teams, these really good teams. We're not that far off. It's a toughness, there's a confidence thing. Raise your game to the occasion. We'll get more to that next time. The seniors, we appreciate your effort. We appreciate everything you've done for us the past 2 years. It's going to be hard to replace you guys because the guys that are coming up are not that much better leaders. But hopefully we can develop them to be better leaders.